Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then in this all section scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's scroll down again to find the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. I do not have this information because I already have the developer options applied. So after applying it, just go back to the general, basically all settings, and then tap on the developer options. In my case, they are turned off, so simply tap on this switcher and tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got some advanced options which we can customize, which we can apply, for example. So we can show the layout bands, we can change the animation scale, we can show surface updates, screen updates basically. Here we've got some options which are connected with the debugging, etc. So in order to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher right here and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on them to open more options to choose from and to apply. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on this switcher right here, and as you can see, the options will be inactive, and basically they will not disappear from this list until you will restart your device. Of course, if you want to customize them again, just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and if they will disappear, just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.